Dear Amazon sellers, one wrong word in your Amazon content can trigger a listing policy violation. Even if your product is completely legit and compliant, these hidden triggers term can lead to suppressed bullet points or even suppressed listing. Let's break down what to avoid and how to stay compliant. Let's proceed. If you see any kind of error in your health page, or if you receive any email from Amazon that your listing is removed, or even if you sometime notice on the product detail page that your listing didn't have any like bullet points or title or images, you just need to click on the menu bar of your Amazon Seller Central account and then go to the performance section, click on account health and performance notifications. Whatever is the notification given by Amazon, it could be about your listing is removed or account is deactivated. So all the notification will be on this page for the performance of your account. So you just need to read the latest notifications and follow the guidelines. And on the health page, you will see all the error, whatever it the issue is, you will see here. So in this case, we are facing listing policy violation. By the way, I will be explaining all these issues, why they triggered, and how we can solve them in just simple steps. This is a complete playlist, and today you are seeing listing policy violation and why it happened and how to sort it out. Let's proceed. So this is the policy violation we are facing. We have to click on this, and Amazon will land us on to the next page where Amazon will show all the number of listings that are facing issues. Amazon action is Amazon remove the bullet points. So what is the reason? Reason is product detail page rules violation, inaccurate information on the product detail page. It could be any kind of inaccurate information, or it could be any of the violations that Amazon system actually flag the words in our content. So most of the time is these are the words, some word we are using in our content. It could be related to promotion, or it could be procurement claims. So we have to be very careful in writing our content so we can avoid these kind of issues and we can have sustainable sales and growth potential. Let's proceed. How to sort it out? You just need to click on edit, and then you will land on the listing that is actually flagged, and you need to go on the product detail page because in this listing the main issue was with the bullet point. Because bullet points are removed, amazingly Amazon will show this error with the first bullet point. And sometime I notice, I have seen many of the cases when people came to me that they said the error is with the first bullet point and we are adjusting it but it's not going anywhere. Remember, whenever you have any issue with any of your bullet points, the error notification will be appearing with the first bullet point. So you have to read and you have to remove all the restricted word that are flagging in Amazon system and submit the listing. That's it. I have made a list of the word that Amazon often flag and listing got suppressed. Here is the document where you can see. By the way, these are the words which are related to promotion or claims, whatever you are claiming about the procurement of any disease or about the promotion of your product. So you have to use all the content very carefully. Like we can't use bestseller word, free gift, free ebook, 100% certification, and these all words we can't use in our content. So if you are using these kind of the word, you need to remove and submit your listing. In our case, I have diagnosed the issue. We were using free ebook guide and we were asking to the buyers contact seller. So and we were claiming for some of the things. So these are the things we have to be careful and just remove these words and submit your listing. By the way, I need to do SEO for this listing as well. So I have done a complete new listing SEO optimized. First of all, I'm copying the title here. You can skip, by the way, this part for the next 30 seconds. I'm adding this title here and then bullet points one after one. These are 5 bullet points. These are SEO optimized. And these italic bold words are showing the most searchable keywords. People are searching to buy this product. So I'm using those terms in our content as well. This was first bullet point. And now we will be writing second one, third bullet point. I have copied all so we can save the time. That's it. We are done. And now we just need to submit this listing. By the way, these are generic keyword we are already using and the issue is sorted. You can see there is no error popping up here. Now we just need to submit this listing, save and finish. That's it. The bullet point will be reflecting on our product detail page within next 24 hours, and the issue from the product health page will be removed immediately. That's it. If you have any questions, you are facing any issues related to your catalog, please contact us and we will sort it out. Thanks for watching our video.